Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the cosmos and uncover some fascinating facts about our universe. So, let's get started with our 5 facts about space you won't believe. 1. The Milky Way is a massive galaxy with a diameter of about 100,000 light-years. That's about 600,000 times the diameter of Earth. 2. The Sun is a massive ball of gas with a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers. That's about 109 times the diameter of Earth. 3. The largest known star, Canis Majoris, is so big that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would reach all the way to the orbit of Jupiter. 4. The smallest known star, Sims J031300, 36670839, 3. is so small that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would still be smaller than the orbit of Mercury. 5. The most distant object ever discovered in our universe, GNZ11, is so far away that it takes light 13.4 billion years to reach us. And there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing facts about space that you won't believe. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.